Hey, it's Great Connects Inventions. I'd just like to say that I'd really appreciate it if you went and go check out my second channel, Cinema Clips. I've been doing lots of Blender animations for some of my future projects I've got in mind, and I would like it if there was some more people watching the work I put into these videos. I've been getting into more character animation recently, just getting used to how the rigs work and keyframing and, all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, if you're interested, I'd really like it if you went and checked that out. I'm also filming my Connect sword, the one that I put out, or showed a while ago, and I've done a few design changes to make it a bit easier to build, but I hope that's going to be coming out soon. Anyways, until next time.